Thanks for training with me. And don't forget to pick up copies of my books, Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes. The link to order both books is below. My friends, Coach Vigue, I just emerged from a cloud behind me. It's all around us. Perfect for this full body stretch for people who sit too much, whether it's at your desk, driving, playing video games, watching TV. This workout, this stretch is for you. It's for all ages, all fitness levels. Enjoy it. Let's breathe in the nose and out the nose. I always like to ask a question before these workouts. You can answer it whenever you like. What was your favorite video game? Or what is your favorite video game of all time? Of all time. Think about that while we stretch. Okay, we're going to begin with butterfly. Can be warmed up already. That's fantastic. I keep the socks on because it's a little chilly out here. Sun is peeking through. Bring the bottoms of the feet together. We want to open up the entire body while we focus on the breath in the nose, out the nose. And a word about the breath, because you want to breathe correctly. You want to get the most out of it. You want to breathe deep down here in your diaphragm, underneath your rib cage. So when you inhale, it actually pooches out. It stretches those ribs and it works those breathing muscles. Exhale, we bring it back in. Work on that. I shall do the same. All right, hands on the feet. We're going to do a little rocking side to side. Now, when you're stretching, as if you're doing anything in life, you want to focus on good, proper posture. Your shoulders are back and down. Your chest is open. You like my shirt? And your chin is always a little bit tucked so the back of the neck is nice and long. All right, let's rock it side to side, opening the hips, getting a nice stretch in your lower back. And getting the blood flowing, because prolonged sitting kills the posture. It compresses the spine, it shortens the body, and it can cause a lot of health issues. Maybe not now, maybe tomorrow, maybe up the road. So we come through and we open it all up. Good. Side to side, get some movement. You might feel some, sometimes people call them crunchies, cavitations in the spine as things get moved back into their rightful place. Good. Relax those shoulders, relax the face, the jaw is loose. Favorite video game, huh? Well, I go back to the 80s, so I'm talking arcades even. If you don't know what an arcade is, look it up or type it in on YouTube. You'll see something really funky. You might see some parachute pants also. Back and forth. All right, hold it here. Shoulders back and down. Let's add a few shoulder rolls. Inhale up, exhale back. By the way, the first video in this series is the one right before this. So enjoy that one too. That's just seated stretches. All right, one more time. Lift and drop. Let's bring it down onto our back. Some windshield wipers. Get that spine nice and loose. Tips of the toes down. Arms can be out or over the head. I'm going to keep them right here. And we're going to drop the legs side to side. Bring in the breath. So inhale, center. Exhale, gently drop to the side. Feel this stretch all the way down here. This stretch right here just might make your day, might make your week. Side to side. You want a little bit more, extend the top leg out like this, always in control of the movements. Heck, get your whole office doing this, get your team doing this, your school, your video game posse, your Halo group. Oh, Halo. Your joust group, okay. Back and forth. Let's do it one more time to this side. And now, here's one that we shall savor for a long time. Take your leg across either one, because we're going to do both sides. Now this arm is going to reach out. You could extend this leg further. Look at that sock, stylish socks. Your shoulders are down, your chest is open. This arm, inhale, lift. Exhale, gently bring it back down. You're clawing your way. You're digging your way into your lats here, your armpits, and down the side. Inhale, exhale. Yeah, I think I heard a adjustment out there. I heard a few Rice Krispie treats going on out there. Rice Krispies. As long as they're natural with the breath. Let's do it one more time. Okay, in between, let's do a full stretch here. Take the legs out, arms over the head, reach all directions. Yes, this is a stretch, a very effective stretch. Your lower back is lifting off the mat. You're getting some decompression in the spine. Little hip wiggle. A 1 for the money, boom. 2 for the show, boom. A 3 to get ready now. Okay, that was from the diaphragm, that singing. Take the knee in, let's bring it across, my friend. Oh, there we are. This shoulder comes down, make the proper adjustments for the jump to the twist. I want to say hyperspace. And inhale, here's that arm. This is the kind of the hinge on the whole twist right here. Inhale up, exhale down. Relax, relax into it. Let your breath take over. Let your mind celebrate this. This is some good stuff. This is going to help. Always help. One more time. This is also a great stretch. Do this before you go to sleep. If you're in your bed or your couch or your hammock, sleep in a hammock. All right. All right, again, full body stretch. Let's take this leg across so we have a little diagonal reach here. Oh, you may never want to sit again after this. Let me fidget with my stylish pants here. Other side. Oh, leg across. Reach. Just keep reaching. Let me tuck in here. Got all sorts of tattoos on my stomach. Stretch, stretch. Oh, beautiful. Now, feet flat. Going to do some active bridges here. Feet are about hip width. If you want more, bring the feet and knees together. When you reach through, you should be able to brush your heels with your tips of your fingers, otherwise called your fingertips. Arms aside. We're going to inhale, tilt the pelvis up, up, and then lift. We peel off the mat, lifting up. Feel the weight shift into your shoulders. And then exhale, we're going to lower down as we came up, one vertebrae at a time. Massage down. There we go. At your own speed. Inhale, lift. This really energizes the back. It gets some blood flow. And it's a nice massage as well. Good form. Good flowing fluid form in everything we do. Let's do 5 more. Inhale up. Remember, pooch the belly out. Pooch it out. Let's all get that little pooch there. Exhale down. 4 more. In the nose, out the nose. Deep breathing, outward. Some nice mobility and flexibility in the back. Hi. Okay. I'm going to do one more for good measure. Noch ein mehr, bitte. Witzig. Right. Mach das hier. Lift. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Chest is open. Beautiful breath coming in. There we go. And then slowly come down and counteract it. Bring the knees into the chest. Rocking side to side. Breathe into your low back. Let's take a few breaths right here. Massaging the back. Giggle, giggle. Okay. Roll it on up. I wrote out so many fun things here. All right, low lunge with a twist. But first, as always, remove the pebble and then press back, child's pose. Knees together, legs together, stretch out that spine. We're gonna go back and forth from child's pose to a little bit of a plank up dog dealy. What does that mean? Well, here we are. With the inhale, we're gonna come forward, drop the shoulders and lift just slightly. So you see that little back bend there? And then slowly come back, lead with the tailbone. Exhale back. Is my pocket out? Okay. Inhale. Elbows in. Little bit of a dip. And then back. Take the hands further forward as you come back into child's pose. Deeper stretch. 2 more times. Relax. And back. Once more. Connect the movements. Like connecting the dots. La, la, la. Dip. Hold for an extra breath here. Getting some nice engagement in the shoulders and the arms. Okay, and then back. And as promised, low lunge. Take your right foot forward. Knee is down. We're going to do a little rocking forward and back first. Get the juices going. Juices flowing in the quad and the hip flexor and the core. Both fingers, both hands down if you like. More than just both fingers. Okay. We got a lot of snow coming this weekend too. They're talking about 5 to 8 inches, and the low will be a balmy 1. All right, low lunge, hand down, inhale, reach up. There's that twist. Or take the arm to the back, open up the chest, take 5 breaths right here. As you exhale, draw the shoulder back. Good, we're getting some rotation in here too. Mostly when we're sitting, we're very linear. We're just facing one direction. A lot of the body just goes kaput because it's not being used. It can atrophy, and that leads to that horrible word called imbalance. The imbalances that happen in the body. You start pushing into other areas, and everything gets out of alignment, and you have to play catch up. Okay, take it back. Child's pose, stretch it out, 2 breaths. Feel those arms lengthen, relax the shoulders, let the armpits sink down towards the mat. All right, other foot, a little rocking forward and back. There's that low lunge that we all adore. I'm really glad I kept the socks on. Woo! I get so excited when I film. Sometimes I film outside. I don't realize how cold it is till after I stop recording, and then whoa, you're kind of I'm in another zone here when I film. Everything feels just right. Good little rocking back and forth. Remember, modify as needed. Don't have to do all of it. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better you will do. Okay, forward, and there's the twist. Arm up or arm here. 5 breaths. Each exhale, a little bit of a twist as you lift. The breath increases. Love that. The compartment seems to get bigger the more we really focus on the breath. All right, we're just about there. I don't want to take too much of your time, but we want to maximize what we got because we got it now. Downward facing dog. If that's too much, go back to child's pose. Slow walk. Add a little rotation if you like. Stretch out the arms, work the heels down. Let's do 5 breaths. Relax the neck. Okay, let's come to a standing position. However you want to get there, I'm going to do my little elephant walk here. Bend the knees. We're going to rise up, stack the spine. We're going to finish with a little flop down series. Whew. So come on up. A few shoulder rolls. I'm backing up so you can see me. You probably see me here. I'll just come here just in case. Now I'll flop down. You're going to take the arms up. It's very slow and controlled though. So it's a slow flop down. We're going to exhale, dive down, soften the knees. And then inhale, come back up. Stack the spine. Arms up over the head. Cactus arms. And then dive down again. Inhale up, energize the spine. Let's do 3 more. Dive. Two more. Lead with the crown of the head. Open, open, open. I tell you what, let's do 1 more for good measure. Here it goes, the best ever. Feel that spine release. Up we go, up, 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 up. Arms up, cactus arms, open, open, open. Let's bring it down, either a cross-legged position or sit on the heels. Open it up. Lip trills. It's my main vocal warm-up. Look at that sun coming out. I love it. All right, either cross-legged or on the heels, take it side to side. Good. All right, my friends, I hope this flow helped. Great for anybody, really, but I get a lot of requests from people saying, I sit all day. I sit all day. I'm in Zoom calls, I'm in conference calls, I'm writing, I'm working, I'm driving, whatever it is. So let this stretch be your escape. Let it get only better, only better. All right, and let me know what your favorite video game of all time is. In the arcades, I love Pac-Man. I love Miss Pac-Man. Track and field. Take the arms up, open. Halo. Halo 2 is a big one with me. I like Red Alert, the original. I play that like almost every night for like 15 minutes. But I gotta say the video game that I obsessed over the most in my life was probably Legend of Zelda, the original for the Nintendo. 1989, I got my Nintendo system at Best Buy, and Super Mario Brothers came with it, and so did... No, I bought Zelda and I bought Punch-Out, but Zelda... why am I taking so long to say this? I like Zelda, and I beat both levels. And I only had the help of a little bit of Nintendo Power. They showed you a little bit in the magazine, and then they had the whole map, but it wasn't the entire game. They chopped off like half of it. So let me know your favorite video game. I got a lot of them. I don't play that many anymore. But yeah. And Vice City's really fun. God bless you.
Who am I?
Mama.
What?
Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.